Hello, everyone. I just wanted to say a few words about the first essay assignment. You might have seen a video that said it's due another date, but it's due September 18th, Sunday by midnight. All of your essays for this class, so it's always the same assignment for the essays. All of your essays for this class must be based on an original idea of your own. So part of the assignment is coming up with something to write about. That is looking over what you've read, finding a question, a problem, something that you want to explore and some overall point that you want to make. So there's no essay prompt that says, well, your essay should be about this or that or should focus on this. Part of the work of the essay is coming up with an idea, something to write about. Obviously, just some take on something that you think is interesting and you feel that you want to make a point about. So it says on one or more of the essays, or excuse me, on one or more of the assigned readings, in this case, Genesis, Exodus, and Job. So you can write about whatever you wish, as long as it's about something from those readings. Can focus on one reading exclusively, one part of the reading. You can relate different elements of different readings in whatever combination you wish. There is no requirement that you write about everything. In fact, that would be a bad essay. That is what you don't want to do. Absolutely don't want to do is just review everything that we've read. That would not be an essay. That would be a review or a summary. That is not what I want. What I want is you to make a point, to have an original idea. So it shouldn't just be, we read this and we read that and we read this, and then this is what I think or something. No, the whole thing should be focused on, structured on you developing an idea, developing a point. Any idea for the essay is fine. Any take you want. I mean, just whatever it is that you have to say about the thing, say it. And any approach is fine. Yeah, I mean, any approach is fine. You don't have to worry about um, can I use the first person? And of course you can. I mean, whatever it takes, whatever it feels natural for you to write a good essay and make a point. Any approach to it is fine as long as it relates to the readings in some way, right? So you have to, think about what idea you have about something that we've read. So you should respond to this assignment with a polished, formal essay. That is, this is an essay, has a structure. That structure doesn't have to be any particular format or anything. It's just that you are writing an essay, an academic essay, a formal essay about something. So of course it should be well written, should be well structured. Um, and that does mean, of course, multiple paragraphs. I mean, you can't write an essay that's one long paragraph. No one would do that, right? Okay. So a polished formal essay of about 2 pages, which is about 500 words. That's not a very long essay, right? I mean, that doesn't give you a lot of space to do it. Probably 500 words is really the minimum that a true essay could be in terms of length. So you want to make a point. It's not a big deal. Make a point. Write something interesting, and that means interesting to you. If it's interesting to you, it'll be interesting to me. Some kind of problem, some kind of issue, some kind of idea that you think is important. If you have any questions about it, if you'd like to talk about it or bounce an idea off me, please feel free to email me at d2e at temple or give me a call on my cell phone if you have any questions. Just remember, it is due, you know, September 18th by midnight, so it has to be in by then.